Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add mods in Aternos in the easiest way possible. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, this is our server right here. We're going to click on it, and then from here we can see many options, but as you can see, we're going to go to the software section. Now from here we're going to have many editions, but the one that we want to focus on is the Forge edition. So for that, we're going to search for it right here, then we're going to click on it, and then install the version that we want. Now, to match your launcher, you're going to go to the launcher that you're using. So for example, in my case, I'm using T launcher. And then all you have to do is match this number right here. And I'm going to search for the Forge 1.20. Now that we have it, we're going to install it on here. And then we're going to search for the 1.20 version right here. And we're going to install it on our server. And then we're going to reinstall. It's going to tell us that the current world will be deleted. So click on yes and reinstall. Now that this is done, you're going to see a new section called mods on the left side. You're going to click on that, and as you can see, there are many mods to choose from. So we're going to search whichever one you would like. So I'm going to search for example, modern life. And once you search that, you're going to find it right here. So you're going to click on here, and then you're going to install it, for example, the 1.20.1 version, and then download it to the server. Now that we have done that, we're going to search for the exact same copy of this mod, and then we're going to install it locally on our version. So as you can see, they provide out for us a link that we can click on it right here, and then we're going to search for our exact version. So as you can see, the 1.21, and then we're going to download it right there. Now that you have downloaded it, finally all you have to do is search for run, and then from here you're going to search for percentage app data percentage. And then from here is going to open this folder, and then going to go to Minecraft, and then going to go to the mods folder. And then from here, you're going to simply paste the mod that you just downloaded. And now once you run the server, and then you launch it from here, and then you launch it from your computer, it will run smoothly. Just make sure that all your friends on the same server have it locally as well, so that it can work. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.